So today in this video, we are going to see about the interfaces in Java. In the last video, we have seen what is an abstract class and types of abstract class, how we are implementing that in the Java. So here we are going to see about interfaces. It is nothing but it is a blueprint of a class. That is the main motto of using interfaces in Java. So interfaces is nothing but it is a blueprint of a class. So it has a static constants and abstract methods. Okay. Why we are using this interfaces is to achieve the abstraction and multiple inheritances in a Java method. Okay. Here we are going to use only the abstract methods and we don't have any body of the methods. Clear? In interfaces, we don't have any method of the body. Okay. Clear. So next we are going to see what is a marker or tagged interface. It is an interface which has no member is called as marker or tagged interface. Why it is used to is it is used to provide some essential information to the Java virtual machines. This tagged interface is used to provide the essential info to the Java virtual machine. Clear? So that it doesn't have any member, it is just needed to send the essential information to the machine. And now we will see what is the difference between abstract and interface. So abstract is nothing but it have abstract methods and non-abstract methods also. But whereas in interface, we will be having only the abstract methods. In abstract, it doesn't support multiple inheritances. So that is the reason we are using interfaces where it will support multiple inheritances. So in abstract, we can have final, non-final, static and non-static variables. But in interface, we can use only the static and final variables. And it also provides implementation of interface in abstract. In interface, we don't have the implementation of that interface. Clear? So this is the difference between the abstract and interface. Now let's see a basic program that is helping to provide both the abstract and interfaces. Hope the screen is clear. So here, what we are going to first do is, here we are going to create the interface that has 4 methods. Simply we can just mention it as void A, void B, void C, void D. Okay. So interface A has, I'm just defining by default the public and abstract methods as A, B, C, and D. So this is a method of creating the interface. It has 4 methods, A, B, C, and D. Okay. Next one is, I'm just creating an abstract class that will be providing the method for this interface A. So what is it we are going to do? We'll just define the abstract class names and the main function, that is public void C, system output I'm C. So here as I'm using the C method, I'm just mentioning the output as I am C. Or else if I'm going to extend the abstract classes, I can just use the method A and I can print it as I am A. If I'm using B, I can just use it as I am B. So this is the method of creating the subclass of the abstract class. So how we are going to test this? So we can just make it as void main string args and we are going to get the input as M. Okay. So what this M will do is, it will just move to the abstract class of the interface A. So based on the objects that we are using here, it will print the output. So as it is mentioned as A, first subclass, so it will print I am A. Next subclass is B, so it will print I am B. Next C, I am C, and D it is I am D. So this is the basic method of assigning and creating the interfaces and abstract classes in Java. Hope you're clear with this. We'll meet up in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.